Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a really fun DIY new twist on what is called a kissing ball for the holiday season. So it's these that are floating right behind me. My particular installation, I have them hanging from the fan above my dining table. You can certainly use these outside or anywhere in the house, but wanted to show you how I made these, so let's get started. Alright, to make this project you need a grapevine ball. We're going to do a trio, so you want to get 3 different sizes if you can find it. Some different greenery, so I've got some juniper or cypress here, and then some pine, and then also some small red dogwood branches, and then these are faux berries, but you can certainly use real berries if you grow those in your garden. I do not have any this year, so I just grabbed some fake ones. And then hot glue, and then depending on how you want to hang it, you can certainly use twine or fishing line if you want to have them look like they're floating. So we'll go ahead and get started here on the project. So the first step you want to do is actually start with your cypress branches, because these have a nice kind of graceful fall effect on the ball, whereas the pine is going to have more of a structure, so we're going to use those more on the top, as you can see there. So again, we're going to start with the cypress because it has a nice draping effect. And so what you want to do is just use some hot glue on the vine ball, and then you're going to just place your cypress branch over that so it holds it in place, and then you're just going to work around the ball. Once you've placed your cypress branches on the ball, you want to then grab your pine. And so what we're going to do is start doing a layering effect with the pine. So we're going to glue pieces, again going around the ball like so, to give it more of a structured effect on the top. Alright, so the next step you want to do is you want to come in with your red dogwood branches, and again we're just going to kind of place those throughout, just so they kind of have a branching out effect. And then lastly, you're going to come in with your red berries, and again you're just going to kind of place those throughout. Now, because this is a smaller ball, I'm going to probably just place them towards the top, like so, just to add a little bit of red in there. And there you have it. I hope this project inspires you to get creative this holiday season. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to share it, I would greatly appreciate that. And lastly, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.